Good morning, dear students. Today we have a very interesting topic for discussion: drug inspector. On completion of bachelor's in pharmacy, it's a dream job of pharmacy student. This job is very respective and it's a good job. You can work with the state or central government. So today in this lecture, we are going to cover following headings: the introduction of drug inspector, qualification and eligibility to become drug inspector, key skills of DI, drug inspector exam format, powers of drug inspector. Now, introduction of drug inspector. Drug inspector is a professional in the field of pharmacy who is an expert in the monitoring and executing safety, quality and usefulness of drug from the production stage to the selling stage. Now, the qualification and eligibility to become a drug inspector. Candidates are required to go through a selection procedure conducted by the UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, and SPSC's State Public Service Commissions. Minimum age required is 21 years, maximum age is 30 years, and relaxation of 5 years for reserved category candidate at some organizations. Candidate need to have complete his graduation in the field of pharmacy, pharmaceutical science, clinical pharmacology from a recognized university and 18 months of experience in manufacture of Schedule C drugs or 18 months experience in the testing of Schedule C drugs. Now, what are the key skills a DI must have? Discipline, patience, self-confidence, the capacity of performing tests, update with occurring the pharmaceutical fields. Now, drug inspector exam format. It has two paper 1 for technical pharmacy questions and paper 2 general knowledge. Paper 1 contains 100 MCQs of 200 marks and paper 2 contains 50 MCQs of 50 marks. The written test and exam will be consist of two exam papers with 250 total marks, and all the question paper will be set in English medium and the same should be answered in the English mode only. Now the powers of drug inspector: any premises where any drug cosmetic is being manufactured and means employed for standardization and testing of drug and cosmetics. Take sample of any drug and cosmetic for testing their quality. Inspection of premises, license for sale, inspection of manufactured drugs, examine any record, registered document or any other material object with any person. Drug inspector has the authority to cancel the license of such businesses unit which are found to having irregularities in terms of complaints of standard related safety, quality and hygienic premises. Thanks for watching this lecture. Powers and duties of DI is very important for exam point of view. Have a nice day.